Platte Kaastaart. Ghent cheesecake. A dessert from Belgium. Serves 4. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. To make the crust, stir yeast and sugar into water in large bowl until dissolved. Stir in milk, egg, salt and butter. Beat in 1 cup flour until smooth. Cover and let stand 10 minutes. Step 2. Stir in enough remaining flour to make a medium set aside. Cover and let rise in a warm place until doubled in bulk, buttered pan, about 1 hour. Spread applesauce over bottom. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To make the filling, beat egg whites until stiff and set aside. In a medium bowl, beat together egg yolks and cottage cheese, beat in macaroons, 2/3 cup sugar, almonds and vanilla sugar. CountryReports, egg whites. Culture, countries, spread mixture over applesauce.